Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner from Inte.Team, from Electronics Repair Shop and the membership. So, today, because some of you are asking to create a short video rather than reading on our website, to explain on the video how we're dealing with all the booking, okay? Because then I need to explain it anyway to our customers and it takes me time. Yes, so it's better to have either a video or a wee text where you can learn. So let's switch to the picture still, okay? And here it's our website. So on our website, if you will go here, you've got self-service section over here. And I will send you either the whole URL to our website, or I will send you this, okay? Okay. So now, click on our booking system, which is here at the top. First, please, once booked in, contact us or wait for a contact. You should get an email with confirmation as well. Booking ID from your email is always required during the drop-off and pickup, or when mailing in. No down payments, no cables or accessories unless specified in the problem. And all there is there. Now here is properly explained. The most important part is that if you're going for some problem which you know, you shouldn't pay then for the diagnosis, or it's including in the price, so don't worry about it that much, yes? And if you don't understand something, you can go to our website and contact. Then when you are booked in our system and you'll get a confirmation email, you'll get the booking ID. This is a confidential, okay, stuff, and you will read it later. This ID is a must when you're dropping off or picking up, or you're mailing in, or you just inquiring about, yes? Why? Because it's much easier for us to say, okay, that's the job belongs to this customer, yes, when you're calling in. And without even passing some people, you know, identifications. Yes, you just call about the job ID and I can tell you what's wrong, or our customer support can tell you what's wrong, but we don't have to share customer details. Yes, so it's safer for everyone. You see, please do not share it with anyone, or otherwise we can't guarantee that your device will go back to you. In this case, we do not take any responsibility for the loss. Okay, I meant to make it in red actually. And the last point, it's third point. Once booked in and you have your booking ID, you can use our booking ID to visit here, and let's open it. It's a calendar, you see, and you can book in and you've got the address, you've got a 30-minute appointment which you can use and you can do it, yes, yourself. So that's as simple it is, guys. Or contact us if you plan to drop it off. Let's say you don't see hours which you would like to drop off, and you would like to choose the hours which you don't see, yes? So then you can let us know. Or you can WhatsApp, because on the right hand corner, right at the bottom, if you will go to the bottom of our page, you will see that this page, you will see that there is a back button to go to our main website. So that's it, yes, and if you'll change your mind, you can't make it, please let us know so we can cancel or reschedule it for you. Now let's say to game console problems, because these are the most common problems, okay? So hopefully nothing is confusing, we will be still going through it because I've created from top of my head, so there can be some issues, wee bits and bobs to correct. But you can see, for instance, if you have HDMI port where you connect your TV, yes, in any of these game consoles, yes, you see the price, and then high priority 1 to 2 days for members is a discount, so it's a bit cheaper. It's worth to being a member anyway, unless you don't want to be owner of your devices and pay premium when you fix them, then you don't care about membership. But if you care about your devices and fixing them for a reasonable prices, then a membership is a must, yes. You can learn more about it, I can send you a wee video about it. Actually, I meant to add here what's the membership as well, so maybe I will do it. And then you see all those things here. We just had a Steam Deck, so in a repair, so I'm trying to add all those things, but I've placed here the most common ones, yes. TV problems as well, you see, explained. So I would say everything is self-explanatory. All it takes is just go there, look for the book repair online link, click, book it in. Once it's booked in, you can book in the visit yourself or write to me or to our customer support, and then we will direct you to us if you can't find still our address, which would be surprisingly weird, but if you can't still find it, it's on our website, so it shouldn't be a problem. It's in our calendar, so it shouldn't be a problem. And it's on Google. Yes, we're the only electronics repair shop with over 170 reviews, so I would say it's easy to find us. If you have any questions, leave them down below or call us. But that's it in this video, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.